Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put dy go to the right. This one will go to the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, now I will go this one first. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have to ask ds. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. Ask ds we change by this one. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now let's go to the second one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of y to the power of 5 minus 1. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of y to the power of 5, we have 5y to the power of 4. This one, that is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. Because we don't have number 5, so we divide both sides by number 5. This one we change by u. Y to the power of 4 dy we change by this one. So number 2 multiplied by 2 over 5, we have 4 over 5. U and u, we have u squared. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c in here. So 4 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 3, we have 4 over 15, u to the power of 3 plus c. About u, that is about this one. And now we return back to this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.